Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is technicalknowledgebeta. This is Swapnil, and today this video is related to Excel and basic functionality and how to use Excel efficiently. Let's say if you are data analytics or if you are new to the Excel and want to know the concept of the pivot, then this video is for you and it's very easy. I am also not pro in that, but I can give you basic details, basic overview about the pivot, so that it will be useful in your data analysis journey. Let's say if you are working for the company and there are huge data like this is the sample data set that I have downloaded from the Kaggle site. If you are not watch my previous video, or I will add the link in the description where you can download any data set for your practice purposes. So for this video I have highlighted some of the columns, okay, and I will show you how pivot table work and how you can analyze this multiple. Let's say if you have lakhs of data and you want to analyze this in very minimalistic way, then this video is for you guys. Okay, so for that what you have to do is you have to first identify what are the columns that you want to analyze. Okay, so I have a title, and this is basically the top 10 YouTube I think playlist list that has highest views and followers count, I guess. So this is downloaded from Kaggle, so you can use that. So currently I have highlighted title because I am using a title, and then we have a full title and description, which is not required for me right now. Count, total views count for this particular title video. The category I also highlighted because I can filter out according to that. And we have duration tags also, and we have a channel name. Basically it's channel name and followers count. So from here, let's say for this Rosa has some count of within a millions. Okay, so we can analyze that. So for that, first what you have to do is because ignore this particular label because I don't have active Excel, but we can analyze it. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to first select the portion. Okay, so whatever the portion that you want to analyze or you want in a pivot, that you have to select. So I have selected this, and then you have to click on insert and click on a pivot. Again, there are two options. First is in existing sheet if you want to proceed with the pivot table, or if you want in a new sheet. So I want in a new sheet, so I will click on OK, and this is my sheet where I will do some pivot things. Okay, so if you observe, okay, if I go to this, the total title count is near about 101. If you exclude the header, then total title is near about is 100. Okay, basically. And so that first what we'll do is let's see title wise, or okay, you can say, let's say, because we have different YouTube channel name, right? So we'll use the channel name in the rows. Okay, let's see, and we have count of near about 67 only. If you exclude the one first header also, then we have 66 channel only, but multiple, and we observe that there are near about 100 titles. Okay, so let's see how many titles for this particular project has. If see the count, let's say Alan Warren has 2 titles. Okay, so so this is, and this will be 100. Okay, so total title is 100, and a particular YouTube channel has multiple titles, means they uploaded 2 or 3 videos like that. Let's say if you see the David Gutta, if you copy this for the validation purpose, if I copy this and if I go over here, I use Ctrl+Shift+L so that it will apply filter. I will again copy this David Gutta, and I will click on the channel name, and I will apply filter. You have to click on this and apply this. Okay, and if you see David Gutta, the channel name is same, but I think she has uploaded 3 different YouTube title videos, right? These are the 3 different things that she has uploaded. So this is how you can analyze it. So you get the idea, right? And this Shabrina has 7. So if you want, let's see, if you want in ascending or descending, let's see if we'll apply or not. If I click on this, sort largest to, cannot determine which pivot table field to sort by. I want title row. Okay, let's try this again. If it not applied, don't worry. Okay, no problem. You can copy this Okay, copy this, just paste outside the pivot. Okay, now this is the YouTube name, channel name, and this is the total songs, you can say it. Okay, and if I apply Control Shift L over here, and then I can use the sorting in the sense ascending or descending. Oh sorry, I don't want this, I want count according to. Okay, so now if you see, Sabrina has highest uploads 7, then Tate, and then David Gutta and all these things. This is one of the thing that you can do. Or let's say if I hide this, okay, if I hide this for time being, because we have to do more analysis. Okay, so let's say if I hide this now, let's say because we have different categories. Okay, we have different categories for the music, and okay, where is the category? Okay, so for we have I think music, people, blogs, and let's see how many categories have and how many videos comes under that. So for that, what you have to do is you have to again go to our pivot. What I will do is I will remove this, I will remove channel, we'll start from scratch again. Let's see if we do categories, let's say categories. So we have two only categories, people and music and blog. Let's see how many titles comes under people and this. Okay, so now if you see 94 titles comes under music and 6 comes under people and blog. Okay, so this is one of the analysis that you can share with your colleagues and all. And if you want to see the list of how many how many titles comes under music, so what you have to do is you have to just use a title and add under the rows. So what happened now is all the music albums comes under this music title, and these are the different titles comes under people and blogs. So this is how you can do analysis in the pivot. For again, what you can do is you can remove the title, and let's say if you want to see okay, remove the categories also, title also. Let's say if I want a channel wise count, okay, because we have different channels, right? See what we have near about 66 channels, and I want the view count of particular channel. Let's say Alan Warren has this much count, I think it's very much millions and something like that. What you have to do, you can apply this comma thing also. If you apply this, I don't know what exactly it is, but it will separate it based on that. So let's say if for Addison 1 is near about 3,52,11,939 counts. Okay, so it will be very easy for the reading purpose. Same you can use I think there is one more column called followers, I guess. Channel followers count. Okay, let's see this. So you will get again you can select this option and you can click on this icon. What is this icon called? I don't know. If you let me know in the comment if you know this, but yeah, for the, let's say, I think this is the famous one. Let's say Benson has 1,07,20,000 followers in a YouTube. So this is how you can do analysis, right? In the Excel there are multiple ways to do analysis, but this is basic. If you want to show it to someone, this is the analysis that you can show it to your colleagues and all, right? So you can basically you have to first identify what you have to particularly do, or what kind of analysis you have to do, and then you can do it. So this is how you can do the analysis. If you like my video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.